Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the Singer Porsche 911. This model is produced by KK Models, being limited to 1,000 pieces, but the only time this is mentioned is on the box, so no mentioning of how many they are produced on the diecast on the model itself. Sadly, this is a sealed model, so no openings on this model. Also, this one is in this blue with orange accent and orange interior. This model is made of the metal with working direction and full suspension. I will show it later. So let's start in the front. First of all, I really like how the paint is applied. It looks very good, this blue color. So in the front we have the chrome bits around the headlight. Also we have the headlights and the turn signal, and I think fog lights, which are very nicely done. The only thing is mine has a bit of a problem here in this fog light. Yeah, it has moved when it was applied. So we have the fuel cap here, which is chromed, and also it's mentioned fuel here, which is quite a nice detail. Next we have the badge, which is photo etched. You can feel it that it stands out. Next, underneath here we have the bumper and the diffuser here, which is imitates plastic, but looks quite decent. Next, on the side, so as I mentioned, the wheels turn, and also there's working suspension on this model. Another surprise is the fact that we have the Porsche logo, Porsche written on the brake calipers. Also we have the Porsche logo in the center cap as well. I would love some tire writing, but this looks decent. Also here we have the tire tread. It looks quite good. Next, on the side we have the Porsche logo there on the door, the Porsche writing, sorry, and also the chromed side mirrors. In the back we have the same details, also working suspension with these massive wheels. The only thing, they didn't make the brake disc move with the wheel. In the back we have the same very good stop lights with turn signals. Also we have the Singer there with the Porsche and another Singer logo there. Also we have this grille which is also metal, which is very nice addition to this model. We have the exhaust, looks a bit plastic, so I think they could have done better. They have a lot of chrome and metal pieces, so metal exhaust tips wouldn't be out of the ordinary. Underneath the model we have the manufacturer. It is made in China, and also we have a part of the engine and the exhaust, so not a lot of details, but still a few nice touches. And sadly on the interior, I don't know if you can see, we have the orange interior. We have there on the dash the orange rev counter. Also I like very much the seats. Now you can see them here. I think they are very nicely done. So sad this model doesn't have an opening, because it would have been nice to open and see the interior better. And also I noticed that there are no seat belts, so again a bit of a minus. But overall, this is a very nice example, and hope a diecast with full options will come on the market soon, because I think you, in my opinion, will be a great model. So tell me if you got the model, or if you intend to get it, and also don't forget to subscribe and like the video.